Many people who are in the aquarium hobby may not be fully insightful about the significance of investing in the best sponge filter for their tank. While it is a reality that this has been around since the period aquarium keeping has started, plenty of fish tank keepers either aren't knowledgeable what this is utilized for or they do not have any idea why this product exists at all. And, even though sponge filters are not considered as appropriate for every tank, it is worth to note that there are certain situations when this is a useful and beneficial tool to purchase for your aquarium. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. AQUANEAT Aquarium Bio Sponge Filter. For anyone hoping to end up buying the best aquarium sponge filter, AQUANEAT brand is the name you can trust. This filter is known for being capable of providing just the sufficient amount of mechanical and biofiltration that smaller tanks need. In addition, the air infusion chamber is good at generating minute bubbles that aid in elevating the solubility of oxygen. Luckily, this is not laborious to set up and clean as well. All you need to do is to set an air line into the device and switch on the air pump. You may wash it off and squeeze the sponge in the tank water. Keep in mind that this is practical to utilize for smaller tanks only. On the other hand, this sponge filter product is priced a bit expensive, making it not a very ideal option for those with limited budget. Also, it is surprising to see how big it is once unpackaged. Pros: a good reliable filter for tanks with smaller size. No trouble to install and clean. Can provide both bio and mechanical filtration successfully. Cons: a little bit costly. Number 2. uxcell Aquarium Fish Tank Biochemical Sponge Filter. There is no need to spend extravagantly if you are presently in need of a reliable sponge filter for aquarium. This product will be an ideal pick if you are keeping a larger tank. Let us explore some more information about this item. Many aquarium owners buy this brand because it can be used in many ways. You can use it as a pre-filter for hang-on back. The materials it is made of are of top quality and works adeptly at keeping the tank water pristine clear. It comes in a big size, however, it can stay concealed behind tank adornments as well as aquatic plants in the tank. It is nice to note that this device does not trap various fish species inside. Howbeit, a few of the shortcomings that you need to uncover about this sponge filter are its being too big that makes it not a great choice if you are currently keeping a smaller tank. Also, when the tube is at the top, it is expected that there would be considerable amount of bubbles that enter the water. Pros: capable of cleaning the tank water quite well and rapidly. Can function as a pre-filter for hang-on back. Hampers any pieces from bringing about any damage to the impeller. Cons: not highly recommended for smaller tanks. Number 3. Lustar Hydrosponge V Filter for Aquariums. This fish tank filter sponge seems wonderfully made and installation procedure is a breeze to handle. It is known for being a high-density sponge filter that is designed with 2 tiny pores. In the same way, it can perform exceptionally in polishing the tank water, and is a wise option for a gilt-edge biofiltration and mechanical polishing. This is untroublesome to clean, you only have to wash it off and squeeze it using tank water. Note that when rinsing it, tap water is not advised to be used. It is equipped with a lift tube that enables water flow in higher volumes, and you can utilize the power head without the aid of adapters too. Also, to guarantee the highest biological and mechanical residue capacity, this sponge filter was purposely made with proprietary patented sponge foam. Pros: enables use of power head without the need for adapters. Designed with a denser base that comes with a raised bottom. Allows higher water flow volume. Cons: may clog instantly. Number 4. AQUANEAT 4-Pack Double Bio Sponge Filter. If you are still unsure of what appropriate sponge filter for betta to get, then why not check out this brand? This is an infallible option if you are dreaming of a filtration method that does not cause much water disruption. It is certainly an impressive filter for the price. What is more, this is so easy and fast to set up, and the cleaning method is not cumbersome. You can rely on its suction cups, and it is nice to have a cycled filter readily available in case of unfortunate incidents. For sure, you will love the swiveling capability of the filters and the output. This device makes use of bio and mechanical filtration technique. It is not tedious to maintain and can successfully lure floating food debris in the tank. Moreover, the air infusion chamber does a vital function in terms of generating minute bubbles that are responsible in bolstering the solubility of oxygen. Meanwhile, please take note that this is practical to use only for tanks that are smaller in size. And it necessitates a strong air pump if you prefer a good flow of water. Pros: employs both biological and mechanical filtration approach. Already includes 4 pieces of sponge filter once purchased. Highly recommended for tanks that shelter small fish. Cons: not suitable for tanks that come in bigger sizes. Number 5. Hygger Aquarium Double Sponge Filter. This sponge filter is very straightforward to utilize. It is interesting that it is made of detachable components, which simply mean that it is possible to effortlessly put them all together. It already contains 2 high-quality suction cups that you could attach to the filter solidly into any tank position underwater. You'll be happy to see that it does not float. Likewise, if you prefer, the water outlet tube could be rotated and extended. All you have to do is to modify the outlet to below or above the waterline. When cleaning the sponge filter, make sure that you wash it off using aquarium water and not tap water. The package contains a bag of ceramic media balls, 1 double sponge filter that comes with 2 containers and a total of 2 spare sponges. It is worth mentioning that this device must be utilized with an air hose that comes with a standard size of 4 mm and a powerful air pump to ensure maximum performance. It is highly suggested to select a vigorous enough air pump as per your aquarium size for this filter. Pros: does not take up more space in the tank. All other parts of this device can be easily detached. Consolidates physical filtration, oxygenation as well as biofiltration in one. Cons: air hose and pump are to be purchased separately. Look for the link in the description box below. If there is another product on the market or if you found one worth your purchase, let us know in the comments section. If you would like to see a future review, also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon, so you'll know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time on the channel.